Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll share you how to hide location in Likee apps. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open your Likee apps. And now just go to the slice or the lens icon in the top left in the corner. And now tap on settings in the bottom. And in the settings page, you will see the privacy. Now you just have to tap on it. In this privacy page, when you see hide location in profile, you just have to tap on the toggle. And when the toggle changes to the red color, that means it's enabled. So guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.